Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Round Adventures. Today we're going to be going over what we have on the bike, so biomechanical, and gear. So to start off in the front, I am running a Garmin 1040, no solar or anything, just the normal one. We have a mount that connects directly to the stem with a GoPro mount or whatever you want to put up front. We have GT Swiss D-Core XT brakes, along with a shifter. We're using, I'm pretty sure it's an LS dropper, or yeah, it's a Levo dropper. We have the Shimano Pro seat. It's 152 millimeters, roughly. We have a GoPro stem back here. We have the Levo dropper. And then up front, come back up front. Pull this out. We have our Bontrager. It is in the stem mountain bike tool. There. We have chain links on the bottom with the chain brake. And then for the tool, we have everything up to an 8 millimeter. So that's 8 millimeter. It's missing a couple, otherwise it'd be too big. So that just hits right in here. And it's nice because it's right out of the way. There's nothing really blocking it. Just sits right there instead of on your frame and rubbing. Next we have this. Okay, so this is where we keep our tire, chain, brake, and stuff. So we have the tire. Inside we have a CO2. We're running the normal 12 grain CO2s. We have a spare with a Amazon Fine. It's a tire lever, 3 tire levers, a Delta band with a Delta tire plug kit. So here, I'll show you guys the tire plug kit. So when you buy the band, the black one, so that's how you grab the bacon. So there are bacon strips in here. You grab the bacon with that, and then you use that tool, and you'll get some of the slime on it, and this is how you'll try to redo it. So that's the kit. We're running the normal intense water bottle mount. Rear suspension, we have the Fox Float DPS. This one has given us some issues. It's gotten low a couple times when we have to take air out of it. It did that when I was hitting jumps and stuff too one time. It was weird. So that's that. For cranks, we have DT Swiss, or not DT Swiss. We are running, what are they? Shimano D-Core XT with time pedals. Over here we have a Garmin cadence sensor. So every time you go around, it's counting your cadence, how fast you're pedaling. For chain, we're running the Shimano XTR, so N1900 or 9100 chain with the cassette. We are still running 240 hubs with Nobl TR35s in the rear. We have XTR calipers, or not calipers, discs with D-Core XT calipers. For shifting, we still have the D-Core XT on it. Have not needed to change yet because it's still working really good. This is still basically stock bike, kind of. We have not upgraded too much on it, versus mine is still 100% stock. The main things we've done is seat, rims, because the original rims, he fell and dented them. So we're now running carbon rims instead of aluminum, so it took maybe a pound off. And then we're still running all Shimano. Oh, and then upgraded bars too. We're running carbon bars, FSA K-Force SSA bars. I have ran these on the S-Works I used to ride. I ran them on that, I'm pretty sure. And then, yeah, I think that's the only bike I've ridden them on. And I liked them. And I raced them too for, what, the last 10 races? 12? 10, 12 races. And I got state champs on these bars, so I like the bars. Nice and skinny for racing, but then I like to ride wide bars when I practice. So if you guys enjoyed another video of Run Adventures, hopefully you guys found this interesting. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.